Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest from BMW, the 2025 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. It's got more power, new tech, and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, but it's hard to ignore the mixed reactions to its design. Some say it looks a little too much like a Kaya. Let's break down everything you need to know. So, first up, let's talk about the performance upgrades. The base model, the 228, now puts out 241 horsepower, which is an increase from the outgoing model's 228 horsepower. It's available in both front-wheel drive, which will be released in mid-2025, and all-wheel drive versions. Now, if you're craving more power, the M2 35 xDrive offers 312 horsepower. Both models produce the same peak torque of 295 pound-feet. But the M2 35 is definitely for those who want that extra punch. BMW's also made the switch from their traditional 8-speed automatic transmission to a 7-speed dual-clutch across the lineup. That means faster shifts and better responsiveness, especially in the M Sport models with the new Sport Boost function. In terms of speed, the 228 xDrive hits 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, while the M2 35 xDrive manages it in 4.7 seconds. Both are electronically limited to top speeds of either 130 miles per hour or 155 miles per hour with performance tires. Now, let's talk design. BMW hasn't held back with the bold styling, but not everyone's a fan. The Gran Coupe's look has been compared to Kia's designs, but love it or hate it, it definitely stands out. M Sport styling is now standard in the US, so you get those aggressive bumpers. And if you go for the M235, you'll also get quad exhausts. And inside, there's even more tech to play with. The 2025 2 Series Gran Coupe comes standard with a 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, wireless device charging, cloud-based navigation, and more. Plus, you can unlock the car with your phone or watch, thanks to digital key integration. The curved display brings together a 10.2 5-inch driver screen and a 10.7-inch infotainment screen, running on BMW's latest iDrive 9 software. For those wondering about price, the base two-wheel drive 228iiS drive starts at $39,600, and the all-wheel drive 228iX drive starts at $41,600. If you're eyeing the M2 35iX drive, it'll set you back $49,500, and all prices exclude the $1,175 destination fee. So, what do you think of the 2025 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe? Does the added power and tech make up for its polarizing design? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and car news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.